Tomato farming secrets for maximum profit, step-by-step guide. Your journey to tomato farming success starts here. Welcome, dear farmers, agricultural enthusiasts, and champions of sustainable agriculture. Today is a day that transforms your tomato farming forever. Imagine standing in your field, surrounded by lush, vibrant tomato plants, heavy with perfectly ripened fruits, knowing that you have achieved something extraordinary. You have increased your yield by up to 40% while simultaneously cutting your farming costs by between 25 to 30%. This isn't a fantasy. This is the proven reality of sustainable tomato farming practices that thousands of farmers worldwide are already implementing with remarkable success. For too long, farmers have been told that higher yields require expensive chemical inputs, intensive labor, and practices that deplete our precious soil. But what if I told you there is a better way, a way that works with nature instead of against it, that builds your soil instead of destroying it, and that puts more money in your pocket while securing a healthy planet for future generations? The revolutionary, sustainable farming techniques we are about to explore together will not only transform your tomato harvest, but will fundamentally change how you view farming itself. Whether you are a smallholder farmer working a few acres or managing a larger commercial operation, these principles apply universally. They have been tested in diverse climates, from tropical regions of Africa to temperate zones across Asia, Europe, and Americas. The beauty of this method lies in their adaptability, and their foundation is timeless agricultural wisdom combined with modern scientific understanding. Today, you are not just learning farming techniques, you are joining a global movement of farmers who are providing that profitability, who are proving that profitability and sustainability are not opposing forces, but powerful allies in creating abundant harvest and prosperous farming business. Here is a complete sustainable tomato farming system. Tomatoes farming secrets, step-by-step guide for maximum profit. Foundation stone number 1, that is revolutionary soil health management. The journey to exceptional tomato yields begins beneath your feet in the living ecosystem we call soil. Understanding that soil is not merely dirt, but a complex community of billions of microorganisms is the first paradigm shift that will revolutionize your farming. Healthy soil is the foundation upon which all sustainable farming success is built, and transforming your soil health is the single most impactful action you can take to increase yields while reducing costs. Let's look at step-by-step implementation. Begin by conducting a comprehensive soil test to understand your baseline conditions. Contact your local agricultural extension office or invest in a professional soil testing service. This initial investment of about $30 to $50 will save you thousands in the long run by preventing wasteful input applications. Once you receive your results, you will know exactly what your soil needs rather than guessing and over-applying expensive fertilizers. Next, incorporate organic matter into your soil at least 3 weeks before transplanting. Use well-composted farmyard manure at a rate of 20 to 30 tons per acre. Or if that is unavailable, create composts from agricultural residues, kitchen wastes, and green materials. The composting process itself reduces your waste management costs while creating black gold for your fields. The magic happens when you combine this organic matter with cover cropping during your off-season. Plant leguminous cover crops like cowpeas, lab beans, or clover, which fix atmospheric nitrogen into your soil naturally, saving you up to 60% of nitrogen fertilizer costs. These cover crops also suppress weeds, reduce erosion, improve soil structure, and when you incorporate them back into the soil before planting tomatoes, they provide a slow-release nutrient source that feeds your plants throughout the growing season. This single practice alone can increase your tomato yield by between 50 to 20% while cutting fertilizer costs dramatically. Troubleshooting guide. If your soil is heavily compacted, don't panic. Begin with deep tillage once, then plant a deep-rooted cover crop like daikon, radish, or sorghum. Sudanese or Sudan grass hybrid, nature's subsoilers that will break up compaction biologically. If you notice low compact composting, ensure your compost pile maintains proper moisture like a wrung-out sponge and has the correct carbon to nitrogen ratio of about 30 to 1. Turn it weekly to aerate and within 8 to 12 weeks, you will have finished composts. If soil pH is too acidic, incorporate agricultural lime. If too alkaline, sulfur or organic matter will help adjust it gradually. Next is Tomato Farming Secret Step-by-Step Guide for Maximum Profit Foundation Stone number 2.